everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to use Cash App custom auto cash out setting. Cash App has now disabled the auto cash out setting feature as the platform required automatic daily balance or withdrawals. What you can do now is manually transfer your funds or set up a recurring deposit or reload from the Cash App support hub. For that, what you can do is simply head over to your app drawer and then enter Cash App in the search bar. Open up Cash App on your device. Once you're inside of Cash App, what you can do is hit the withdraw icon. Once you've hit the withdraw icon, you will be able to hit cash out. Once you've hit cash out, you'll be able to set how much amount you want to deposit. Once you've done that, you can use standard or instant methods. If you use the standard method, then it may take up to 2 to 3 business days. However, if you use the instant method, a small fee will be charged, which is 1%. And then you'll be able to cash out instantly. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.